The ANDELI TIG-200 ACDC is a versatile welding machine that combines 8 different welding processes, making it suitable for a wide range of materials, including aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, and titanium. This welder features a built-in remote control on the torch, allowing for seamless adjustments to amperage without interrupting the workflow, which is particularly beneficial for high-volume and precision tasks. The cold TIG welding capability of this machine reduces thermal distortion and produces spatter-free results, making it ideal for working with thin or heat-sensitive materials. With a 5.2-inch LED display, this welder provides enhanced visibility and simplifies parameter monitoring, which is especially useful in low-light conditions. Safety is a priority with the ANDELI TIG-200 ACDC, as it includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheat protections, ensuring secure operation. A 2-year warranty backs the reliability of this welder, providing peace of mind for long-term use.